Good morning,
Good morning, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy. Good morning, Daddy. I hope you have a great day in California, and I hope you see lots of good things, and I hope your dinner is good. Bye, Daddy. We miss you. Bye, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy, I love you, and I hope you have a good day today. And if you go swimming, you might not, but if you do, don't go down to the bottom of the pool because you might bust your lip again. We miss you, Daddy. Bye, I love you.
Say hi, Daddy do. Can you say Daddy do? Daddy do. Love you. Miss you. See you tomorrow. That was too much. Say come home soon. Soon. Say love you, Dada. Bye, babe. We love you. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.